Hi! Today we're going to learn about expanding algebraic expressions. Let's say we have the problem like, expand the following expressions. A. 7x times in parentheses x squared. B. 3x cubed times in parentheses 9x squared. C. 8x to the fourth power times in parentheses 5x squared over all over 4x cubed. So let's start with question A. So let's rewrite this. So we have 7. We can rewrite this as 7 times x squared. So now let's combine like terms. So we have to combine x and x squared. So this is equal to 7 times. So we have to multiply x and x squared. So we know that x is also the same as x to the first power. So when we multiply two exponents together that have the same base, we keep the base the same, and we just add the exponents, 1 plus 2. And that's only if we're multiplying. So this is equal to 7x to the third. So the answer to question A is 7x to the third. Answer to question A is 7x to the third. Now let's move on to question B. So question B is 3x cubed times in parentheses 9x squared. So let's rewrite this. We have 3 times x cubed times 9 times x squared. So let's multiply let's combine like terms. So we have 3 and 9, and then we also have x cubed and x squared. So let's first start by combining the numbers. We have 3 times 9, which is equal to 27. So 27 times, now we have x cubed times x squared. So we know that when we're multiplying two exponents, and if they have the same base, we keep the base the same, and we just add the exponents. So 3 plus 2. So this is equal to 27x to the fifth. So the answer to this question is, answer to question B is 27x to the fifth. Now let's move on to question C. So question C, 8x to the fourth times in parentheses 5x squared all over 4x to the third. So let's start with the numerator. We have, let's rewrite this. We have 8 times x to the fourth times 5 times x squared. So let's combine like terms. So we combine 8 and 5 and x to the fourth and x squared. So we have first 8 times 5, which is equal to 40, times x to the fourth times x to the second. So we know that when we're multiplying two exponents with the same base, x and x, we just keep the base the same and add the exponent. So 4 plus 2, which is 6. So far the numerator is 40x to the sixth. Now let's add in the denominator. So we have to divide this all by 4x cubed. 4x cubed. So let's combine like terms. So we have 40 divided by 4, which is equal to 10. Then we have x to the sixth power divided by x to the third power. So we know that when we're dividing exponents with the same base, x and x, we leave the base the same, and subtract this one, or the denominator's exponent, from the numerator's exponent. So 6 minus 3. This is equal to 10x to the third. So the answer to question C is 10x to the third. Today we learned about expanding algebraic expressions. Thank you for watching this video.